Hello guys, here with me. Today I'm going to unbox one of my favorite book. Actually, I bought it. I buy this book some time ago, but I just have my time now to unbox this entire of the book. Okay, this is especially what is the book? It's about the X-Men, the ADAMANTIUM collections. It's under Marvel. This is one of my favorite books. So I'm going to unbox this book. It's quite heavy. It's almost like half of my size. As you can see, yes, it is have come with a very thick cover, and of course Marvel, X-Men. They have a plenty of different series. This series that I bought will be the ADAMANTIUM collection series. As you can see, it's quite heavy, guys. I'm going to unbox this series. So let's do it together. I'm going to unbox. Okay. As you can see, it's still new. Oh, okay. It's a quite thick book, as you can see. Oh. Okay, God. Oh my God. It falls back. Okay. Oh, wow. Yes. This is the one we are looking for it. Guys, I'm tired of unboxing this. So, yes. This is the cover. As you can see over here. So, this is the book. Okay. The entire of the series, as you can see, I hope. Okay, this is the X-Men, the ADAMANTIUM collections under Marvel. So as you can see over here, and you can see over here they written some descriptions about the book. So they say the best and the brightest moment from the mighty mutants, long and the story history like you have never seen there before. So we're going to look that. There's some descriptions. Oh, there's something they put it over here, bonus. If you can zoom this a bit over there. So this is the bonus. They said the digital edition. Oh, they have some digital editions included in this series. They put it over here, is included. Let's unwrap the book. How to unwrap this? I need something to remove it. Oh, no need. Oh, still fresh and new. Okay, I'm unboxing it now. Okay. Plastic is there. Okay guys, let's do it again. We have the series, and I'm trying to remove this book. Wow, it's really thick book, and this is the cover to really protect the book from any further damage. Again guys, the X-Men, the ADAMANTIUM collections. Okay, so wonderful about this book. Is really heavy, guys. Please help me. Let's put it over here. I would like to take your attention on this particular book. Wonderful about this. Oh, they have some password. Okay. Oh, to redeem your free digital copy of X-Men ADAMANTIUM collections. Oh, I can get my digital collections, but I will close my. Oh my God. Unfortunately guys, it's already expired. They say it only can be used until 2016. Now it's 2020. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm still happy. So never mind. I will keep this. Okay guys, wonderful things about this book. I'm doing this. Okay, I will draw your attention. You can have a look. Oh my god. Oh my god. As you can see, the entire of this book, it's and oh my god, guy, the entire of the series is in color version. This definitely going to my year 2020 best collection. This is my entire of life collection. As you can see, I noticed at the moment this will be a very beginning of the X-Men episodes. They put it over here for September, and the strangest superhero of all. I think this is a first series of the X-Men, and yeah guys, it's all colored. I don't want to damage the book. This is my personal collections. So as you can see, it have a very beginning of the X-Men series until through the latest X-Men series. Entire of the comics over here. Oh my god, guys, there is a, oh my god, you can see there is some information of the character as well. Oh, okay. Storm, Magneto, and we have a lot of the superhero. Their informations of the end of the book, and wow, they have like a cool poster, something like this, a very nice one. So thank you so much for watching. This is one of my unboxing of my favorite book, X-Men, the ADAMANTIUM collections. So stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel. See you soon in another unboxing. Bye.